शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वगी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
28. 28.
एवं द्वौ स्वप्नसङ्कल्प मायाभिस्वनुभूयते तदा किल चिदाकाशम् एव भाति जगत्तया।
What is there is only Chidyoma Matra. There is nothing other than Chidyoma. Even if the Jiva, Jagat and the Samsarana appears to be there, it has no existence apart from Chidyoma. In reality, Chidyoma is there. That means Paramarthikataya, from the standpoint of absolute reality. What is absolute? Independent, not simply independent, ever existing principle. An independent, ever existing principle without any change, without any destruction, absolute. Paramarthikataya, from the standpoint of absolute reality, what is there is only Chid Vyoma. This is called Paramarthika Satta, absolute existence which ever exists, never changes and never subject to destruction. There are two other sattas, Vyavaharika Satta, Pratibhasika Satta. Vyavaharika Satta is where the things are available for to deal with. In waking state, see, we deal with the world, and the same world is dealt with by different types of people. This is what is Vyavaharika Satta. In dream, you experience the dream. Vyavaharika Satta, transactional reality. It is a transactional reality. As for the Pratibhasika Satta, it is something subjective in nature. Your dream is exclusively experienced by you alone. It is experienced by you alone and not others. But in the waking world, same world is interacted by others also. Same world is interacted by others also. That's why this is pratibhasika satta, that is subjective existence. One is absolute existence, paramarthika satta. Other one is transactional existence, vyavaharika satta. Third one is the subjective existence, pratibhasika satta. Now, paramarthataya, from absolute standpoint, what is there is only chit vyoma and chit vyoma alone. There is nothing other than that. Even though the Jagat appears to be there, it is only on account of projection of Maya. So that we have seen, that is there. Something like sun's rays of the sun, like that. Something which appears as though different from the Chidvyoma. So that is what is Jagat. So therefore, the one who has directly cognized the Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa, Chidvyoma, even during the interaction of such person with the Jagat, what he sees is only Chidvyoma only. That is what it says. Yada Tattva Drisha means this. Evam dvau swapna sankalpa mayabhi samam dvau yada tattva drisha su anubhuyate. This dvau means this dvaita jagat. This dvaita jagat, which is similar to what? Dream or daydreaming or the magic. So when this is experienced, when this is vividly experienced by a jnani, so for him, what he cognizes in and through that Chidaka, that Jagat appears as nothing but Chidakasha only. It is just like imagining, which is not possible, a person who is dreaming and he knows that it is dream and he is what? At times it is there. You are slightly aware that you are dreaming. So there is a false Like that here also, because a clear cognition of the Swarupa is there, and yet Prarabdhavasha, Jagat is experienced, is able to the Jagat how? Chidakasham eva bhati. What he cognizes only Chidakasha only. So therefore, this Jagat has no better existence than that of the dream. Only thing is, they say, no, dream is a fool's bluff and the waking world is clever man's bluff. You know who is clever man there? Ishvara. This is Ishvara's bluff and the dream is your bluff. Jiva's bluff it is. It is because Jiva thinks, don't think Ishvara. You are also Ishvara. You create the Jagat. Which one? Dream. Dream. It's not a joke. You have created the dream world. You are the Ishvara of the dream world. Only thing is, here it is the Ishvara of the public world as such. That is the Ishvara. That is fool's bluff. It is lasts for a few seconds. This is clever man's bluff, which lasts for a little longer period. That is the only difference as such. So let us see now.
Yathaitat samvidakasham swapne bhati jagat vapuhu तथेदं जागृदाख्येऽपि स्वप्ने भाति तदेव नः। अन्वय यथा एतत् संविदाकाशं स्वप्ने जगद्वपुः भाति तथा नः तदेव इदं जागृदाख्ये अपि स्वप्ने भाति। अगेन यथा एतत् संविदाकाशं स्वप्ने जगद्वपुः भाति तथा नः तदेव इदं जागृदाख्ये अपि स्वप्ने भाति।
We dream. What is that dream world? Is there anything, any concrete objects and beings according to your dream? All that is what? Samvid, Chaitanya only. You may say, no, Swamiji, in between some samskaras are there. Waking Jagrat samskaras are there. Yes or no? Yes, they are there. But those Jagrat samskaras are product of what? Antakarna. Antakarna is product of finally, it is Panchamahabhuta, finally Maya, which has no real existence, some appearance only, and therefore this is what the samskaras are equally false, and whatever that is projected by this false samskara is furthermore false, and therefore what is there is only Chit Tattva. So therefore it says, Yatha etat samvidakasham. Everywhere akasha comes there. So like sarvavyapi, like akasha. Samvid, chit. Chidakasha, chidvyomna, chidvyoma was told. Samvidakasham. Swapne jagadvapuh bhati. Swapne, during the dream, jagadvapuh means swap jagadakarena. Jagadvapuh, jagadakarena bhati. It appears as though a jagat, which is our experience. Jagadakarena bhati. Bhati. Tatha, in the same manner, naha. What is that naha? Asmabhyam naha. To us. To us. To naha means to us. Tadeva. What is that Tadeva? The very same thing. What is that very same thing? Samvidakasham. The same Samvidakasha, Chaitanya Tattva. So what happens? Tatha Tadeva Naha Tadeva Idam. Tadeva Idam is stands for Samvidakasham. Jagridakhe api swapne bhati. Jagridakhe api swapne. Dream only, but which dream? Called waking. That's why Gaudapadacharya in Mandukya Karika makes only division of two states. How many states of consciousness are there? Three. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. So there he doesn't make three divisions, he makes only two. Swapna and no, Sushupti. Swapna and Sushupti. Why? He clubs the Jagrat in Swapna. That's why he has used a specific word. Why he clubs at Jagrat and Swapna called as Swapna, he terms them as Anyatha Grahanam. Anyatha Grahanam is, that is cognition different from what it is. Whereas sleep he terms as Agrahanam, non-apprehension, Agrahanam. Anyatha Grahanam is misapprehension. Now come on, find out. Is it not? So what is your Swarupa? Chidvyoma. Now you have to use Chidvyoma only. Chidvyoma. But in the waking and a dream, what you take? You take yourself the waker, the dreamer. Is it not other than what you are? Therefore it is Anyatha Grahana, means misapprehension. Whereas in sleep, you don't know anything, including yourself. Agrahanam means non-apprehension. It is agrahanam, non-apprehension. So therefore the word is correct. He is right. When he says swapna, see, is it not, see, you know you are swapna jnanis. You know swapna to be false or not. Come on. Yes. You know so swapna is false. So therefore, from a reality standpoint, Jagat also is false. So therefore it is like swapna only. So that being the case, Jagrutakhe api swapne. In the swapna called Jagrat, Tadeva means that Samvidakasham eva bhati. Swapne bhati. How? Jagrutakhe swapne how? Jagad vapuhu. Jagadakarena bhati. That's all. In both cases, what does it mean? Just as in the dream there is no concrete real world, even the waking, though we take it to be a concrete world, there is no real concrete world from the Paramarthika Satta. Further, same thing is explained further.
Yatha swapna pure chitkham varjayitve tarat kvachit nakinchit sambhavat evam jagrutyevam mahachitaha. Anvaya Yatha Swapnapure Chit Kham Varjayitva Itarat Kvachit Kinchit Na Sambhavati Evam Jagruti Evam Mahachitaha. Add Varjayitva Itarat Kvachit Kinchit Na Sambhavati. Again, Yatha Swapnapure Chit Kham Varjayitva Itarat Kvachit Kinchit Na Sambhavati Evam Jagruti evam mahachitaha. Add varjayitva itarat kvachit kinchit na sambhavati.
What was told that Samvidakasha itself expresses, projects as Jagad Vapuhu, is further explained by pointing out what is there is only that Samvida Akasha, here called as Chit Kham. Akasha, Kham is Akasha. Samvid is Chit Kham. Yatha, just as Swapnapuri, in the dream city, means the city that you have dreamt. Chit Kham Varjayitva. Varjayitva means without, other than Chit Kham. Chitkam is Chidakasha, which was called termed as Samvidakasha in the earlier verse. So Chitkam Varjayitva, Itarat, anything else, Kvachit, anywhere, that is na Kvachit, na Kinchit, means nowhere, na Kinchit, not to any least extent, Sambhavati is born. Is there a city born there? Then, in Bombay, accommodation problem can be solved. So you get a dream, you will get a house to stay there. So that be the case. Yatha swapnapure chit kham varjayitva. So without this, other than the Siddhakasha, there is nothing nowhere, na kinchit, nothing, na kvachit, nowhere. Sambhavati is born. Means what is there is only Chitkam, and Chitkam alone, Chidakasha alone is there. Evam, in the same manner, Jagrati evam. There are two evam there. That evam that comes after Jagrati means api, also. Evam means in this manner. But the second evam, Jagrati evam, doesn't mean in this manner. It means api, also. In the Jagrati also. In the waking state also. What is that in the waking state also? The same thing is explained further. Mahachitaha. Mahachitaha means that is other than Mahachit. Mahachit is nothing but Brahma. Chit Shiva, Devaha. So Mahachit, Mahachitaha. Mahachitaha has to be taken as accusative singular. Other than Brahma. Mahachitaha varjayitva means other than Brahma. Mahachitaha varjayitva, other than Brahma. Itarat, anything else. Na kvachit, anywhere. Na kinchit, to any extent. Na sambhavati, is not born. Even in the waking state, what is there is chit kham, and kham alone is there. Even though Jagat appears to be there, it is nothing but chit and chit alone. So because nothing else exists or is born, what is there is only chit, and chit alone is deduced. Continuing.
There is one correction. Sambhavatyanya chetyam. The word should be like this. Sambhavatyanya chetyam.
In your this thing sheet, Sambhavatanya, ta is that. The ta should be corrected to tya. Like satya. Tya, like satya. Don't know how to write. Then you do the simple ways. Ta with nether stroke, breaking the leg, and then ya. Nether stroke. Huh?
Second line is there.
See, Sanchetya, see that. That is very good. I think at least you should be familiar with the Devanagari script, okay?
Yato na sambhavatyanyat chetyam kinchit tato khilam chittam sanchetyamapetad chetyam sajjagasti
Jagat sthitam. Sajjagat sthitam. Chetyam sajjagat sthitam. Yataha.
Achetyam chittam sanchetyamapetad.
Correct.
Achetyam sajjagat sthitam. Anvaya.
See, one omission of puts the pronunciation out of gear. See, when you say it is proper, that quart pada is properly can be sung. See.
Anvaya. Yataha anyat kinchit chetyam na sambhavati tataha akhilam chittam एतत्
संचेत्यम
एतत्
संचेत्यम जगत
संचेत्यम जगत् अपि अचेत्यम
सत
सत्
स्थितम.
स्थितम. Again, यतः
अन्यत्
अन्यत्
किंचित
किंचित् चेत्यं न संभवति ततः अखिलं चित्तम्
एतत् संचेत्यम अपि
अप-
संचेत्यम जगत अपि
अपि
अचेत्यम
अचेत्यं
सत.
सत् स्थितम्.
See, like now Satya, if you are not able to write in Devanagari, you can write in your own mother tongue. Like the Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam. Only problem is those who don't have these and have gone to convent school and don't know Devanagari, their problem comes. See, Malayalam, Tamil and Kannada, you can write it. You can Satya, Satyavati, like that. So then you write in English, Satya, T-Y-A, then ask others how to write. Yataha, yasmat, because of the reason, anyat kinchit chetyam na sambhavati, because other than chidyoma, something called chetyam, drishya jagat, bahya vedya, chitta vishaya, na sambhavati, is not born, because how he is not born already explained at length earlier. So because of the reason that anyat, something other, means anatma, something anatma, kinchit chetyam, that is anatma, bahya jagat, drishya jagat, bahya vedya, na sambhavati, is not born, says tataha, therefore, akhilam chittam, everything. What is that everything? Chittam. Chittam means antakarana. See the distinction, huh? It is not chittam, that is antakarana. So chittam, antakarana. Chittam. Etat sanchetyam jagat. This sanchetyam jagat, this jagat, what is that jagat? Sanchetyam. What is sanchetyam? So that is together with vishaya samuha. Chetya is vishaya samuha. Together with the chetya. Sanchetya means some there in the sense of together with. So some together with. Together with the chetya means vishaya samuha, drishya jagat, bahya, vedya. So therefore says tataha, therefore, chittam, chit antakarana, with, together with what? So together with sanchetyam jagat, entire jagat comprising the vishaya samuha, says api is what? Achetyam sat sthitam, is sat. What is this sat? Chid vyoma. What type of chid vyoma? Achetyam. Achetyam means free from chetya. Achetya means devoid of chetya, the drishya jagat, means chid vyoma and chid vyoma, chidakasha and chidakasha alone is. Why it is? Because chetya, including antakarana, because why chitta is specifically mentioned separately? Because that plays havoc. Antakarana is, see for example, there are doctors and a cardiovascular surgeon. Why cardiovascular surgeon is not a doctor, but a special mention is made to show the distinction. So like that, Jagat is said, in that Jagat, for a specific purpose, Antakarna is separately mentioned because, so that is the one, you see, Mana eva manushyanam. Very good. Chittam is separately mentioned because of a special status. What is special? Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha moksha. It is the one that means that continues to be that continues the samsara bondage, and it is the one which helps to get rid from the samsara to gain the moksha liberation. So that been the case. Say chittam sanchetyam jagadapi. And the entire jagat having the together with the chit vishaya samoha api etad achetyam sat sitam is nothing but this sat trikala abhat sat chidvyoma. And how achetyam, free from the chetya drishya jagat. So therefore, other than this chidvyoma, there is nothing at all in reality. Continuing.
Paramakasha kalanam Trijagat swayamuthitam Swapnavad vidhi chidvyomni Natvetadvaitavasthitam. First note the sandhi Tvetadvaitavasthitam. Sandhi is tu etad dvaitavat sthitam. Tu etad dvaitavat sthitam. Now Anvaya Paramakasha kalanam Trijagat at bhutva swayam uttitam and tat swapnavat. After tat take chidvyomni swapnavat vidhi. Tu etad dvaitavat na sthitam. Again, Paramakasha kalanam Trijagat ad bhutva swayam uttitam ad tat chidvyomni swapnavat vidhi. Tu etad dvaitavat na sthitam.
This entire jagat is like dream, and it is not something real as considered by those who profess the Dvaita Mata. So Dvaita Mata, Dvaitavadis, they profess that jagat is real. That is not so, it is just like dream. This jagat, Trijagat. What is Trijagat? Come on, tell me, what are those? Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, you are individual. I want total. Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. Bhu, see, look here. Triloka. Either you say Triloka or Chaturdasha Loka. Triloka means Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. But that Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, there what happens? Bhu stands for, see that is Bhu and all Patalas below. Suvaha for Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam, the Swargas. And Bhuvaha is Antariksha. Actually, if you say Tribhuvana, Triloka, it means Chaturdasha Loka only. It is only different terminology. Therefore, you should be familiar with that. 3 words mean don't think only Bhu, Bhuva, Suvaha. And what about others? They are there. Only clubbing these together like that. Bhu for Bhuloka and all the Patalas. Bhuvaha for Antariksha. Suvaha for Suvaha, Maha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam, all the Swargas. Means Chaturdasha Bhuvanani only as such. Trijagat means entire creation without leaving anything there. So there is a, see, Trijagat is what it is. That he says, Paramakasha Kalanam Trijagat Bhutva Swayam Utthitam. Trijagat Bhutva Paramakasha Kalanam. Paramakashasya Kalanam. Kalanam is Sankalpa. Sankalpa. Whose Kalana? Paramakasha. Have you seen earlier what is Paramakasha? Avyakrita Akasha. Avyakrita Akasha is wielded by whom? Ishvara. Ishvara is who? Brahma conditioned by Maya. So therefore, the Ishvara Sankalpa, Avyakrita Paramakasha Kalanam means Avyakrita Akashasya Kalanam. Kalanam. Adya Sankalpa, to become. What is that? Bahusyam prajayeti. Let me be many, myself be many as such. So that is that Sankalpa, Adya Sankalpa, the first Sankalpa. Trijagat Bhutva, becoming the entire creation, Trijagat, the Swayam on its own, Utthitam, sprung up, born or is produced or has sprung up or born. What is your dream world? Your Sankalpa in the sense, projection of your mind, is it not? So also, Tribhuvana is projection of who? Ishvara. That's all. That is what is said. That is clever man's bluff. This is fool bluff. So that is the distinction. That lasts for kalpas. This lasts for few seconds. They say, in the dream you may dream yourself to be from the childhood up to the great grandfather, 99 years age. But and all experiences, actually it lasts for, even the modern science has proved that it lasts for few seconds. See, even time factor also is what? Is something which is false only as such. Is even here. The day you are so much absorbed in the class, in 5 minutes में काम हो गया. The day difficult thing, everything is going in 6s and 7. Every 5 minutes you look at the watch. कभी 1 घंटा खत्म हो जाएगा. खत्म. Time 1 hour is the same thing as such. It's a concept. It's a concept as such. That in the case, Paramakasha Kalanam, the Adya Sankalpa, Bahusyam Prajayeti. That is shown by who? Shruti. It is told there in the Shruti that Adya Sankalpa is itself Tri Jagat Bhutva, becoming Tri Jagat. Swayam. Swayam means it is like programmed as it were. Again, Why Ishvara did the Adya Sankalpa? Program is program. Don't think Ishvara has no other business and create these jivas and make them suffer the hell. Is it that way? No. Otherwise you will have to sue whom? Ishvara. Which court will have? You have to go to Ishvara's court only. He will patiently listen your complaint. He says, my dear, look here. You are not different from me. So, say, look here. If you are different from me and I had done something, then it is okay. I myself is doing all these things. What is the better? No, you are me only. That's all. Case dismissed with expenditure. So therefore he says, Uttitam has risen up. So that being the case, he says, and that being the case, this Jagat, which is that Tri Jagat, says, Chid Yomni Swapnavad Vidhi. Please know that this Tri Jagat is like the dream where in Chidvyomni, in Chidakasha, it is just like what? It is just like dream only Chidvan, and not so as others consider. Two, whereas means what? It is like dream, this Jagat, Tri Jagat, entire creation is like dream in Chidyoma, but it is not so. What is not so? Two, whereas Etad means this Tri Jagat, Dvaitavat na sthitam, not as Dvaita which is considered as Satya by the Dvaitins. Dvaitavad is what they say, Jagat is real. No, it is not real as considered by the Dvaitavadin. So Dvaita, that Dvaita means the Jagat as real considered by Dvaitin. So that is what? It is not so. It is not so, Dvaitasthar. Thus, entire Jagat, Tribhuvana, is nothing but like a dream in Chidyoma was stored in general. Now, in particular, the things in the world are nothing but, they are like Sapna only. What is there is only Chidyoma, like that. In specific, with specific reference to the things in the world, it is told that their nature is nothing but Chidyoma only. Continuing.
Yatha Chidyoma matratma Swapne Ghatapatadikam Sargadaveva Sargoyam Tatha Chidyoma matrakam.
Chidyoma, correct it. Chidyoma matrakam. What to be added?
Instead of Dyo, make it Chidvyo.
It will be difficult for you to Dyo. Chid Vyoma matrakam you meant. Chid Vyoma. Chid Vyoma matrakam.
Advaya Yatha Swapne Ghatapatadikam Chidvyoma matratma Tatha Sargadau Chidvyoma matrakam Eva Ayam Sargaha Ad Bhavati. Again, Yatha Swapne Ghatapatadikam Chidvyoma matratma Tatha Sargadau Chidvyoma matrakam Eva Ayam Sargaha Ad Bhavati.
So you note that sum and substance of all these stanzas is that there is nothing called Chaitya. What is there is only Chidyoma. Is only Chidyoma. In a different way, it is first it was pointed out that Chaitya can never exist in reality. It cannot be born in reality. Now what is there is only Chidyoma, Chidyoma, Chidyoma only. Now, in particular, everything in the Jagat is nothing but Chit Swarupa only. Yatha, just as Swapne, Swapne, in the dream, Ghatapatadikam. Ghatapata is a phrase for everything. Everything in the everything that is there here in the dream. What is Ghata? Pot. What is Pata? Cloth. So it's just like this. Means it is a upalakshana for all the things that are there in the dream. Ghatapatadikam. What is it actually? Chidyoma matratma. Atma Swarupa. Chidyoma matra Swarupa. That means all the individual things that are there in the dream are nothing but Chaitanya and Chaitanya, Chidakasha and Chidakasha only. Tatha, in the same manner, Sargadau. Sargadau, Sarga means creation. In the beginning of the creation, it says, Chid Vyoma Matrakam Eva Ayam Sargaha Bhavati. Before the creation, what was there? Chid Vyoma. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit. Chandogya Upanishad. O sun, that is, before the creation, what was there only? Sat only. So therefore, that Sat Chidyoma, so that is Sargadav, and itself Chidyoma Matrakam, that Chidyoma only. So what happens afterwards? Ayam Sargaha Bhavati becomes this creation, means everything in the creation is nothing but this Chidyoma only. That we already seen how you have to do the badha of aropita. So what you get is Chidyoma only. Why? Aropita has no existence. It is on its own. It is false in nature. Again, in the entire creation, there is nothing other than Chidyoma, pure Chaitanya, pure consciousness principle is highlighted.
Shuddha samvitti matratvad Jhutenyat swapna pattane Yatha na vidyate kinchit Tathasmin bhuvanatraye Anvaya Yatha Swapna Pattane Shuddha Samvitti Matratva Rute Anyat Kinchit Na Vidyate Tatha Asmin Bhuvanatraye Shuddha Samvitti Matratva Anyat Na Vidyate. Again, Yatha Swapna Pattane Shuddha Samvitti Matratva Rute Anyat Kinchit Na Vidyate Tatha Asmin Bhuvanatraye Shuddha Samvitti Matratva Anyat Na Vidyate.
Just as Yatha Swapna Pattane, Swapna Pure, Pattana is Pura. See, this shows in Kannada, city is called Pattana. I think some other language also it may be there. Pattana, that is city. So that is, see how origin is Sanskrit. Pattana. So that. Swapna Pattane, Swapnapure in the city, the city in the dream, say just as in the city in the dream, Swapna Pattane says, Shuddha Samvit Matra Dhrite Vina, other than, Dhrite Vina, other than Shuddha Samvitti Matra. What is there in the dream city is nothing but pure samviti. What is the Shuddha Samviti? Achetyam, already told. Free from Chetya. Free from Drishya Jagat. Free from Bahya Vedya. So that is Shuddha. Shuddha Samviti Matratva. What is there is only Shuddha Samviti, Shuddha Chit, the Chit which is free from Chetya, the Drishya Jagat. So that means the Irute. Anyat, yes, Samviti Matratva Dhrite, Anyat Kinchit Na Vidyate. There is nothing other than Shuddha Samviti in the dream city. If this is understood, likewise in the Bhuvanatraya, there is nothing other than Shuddha Samviti. So, na vidyate tatha asmin Bhuvanatraye. In this entire creation, in the Chaturdasha Bhuvana, in the entire creation, asmin Bhuvanatraye, again, Shuddha Samvitti Matratva. What is there is Shuddha Samvitti, which is Achetya, totally free from Drishya Jagat. So Shuddha Samvitti Matratva. Anyat Na Vidyate. There is nothing other than Shuddha Samvitti Matra. So what is to be done now? Set right the vision. Like that means something is wrong with our vision. Like a person suffering from cataract, seeing two things. I think more things also they see, is it? More than two things they see. I don't know, at least two things they see. So two things what you have to do? Remove the cataract. So therefore here is the cataract of our vision. Born of which cataract? Ajnana. Remove Ajnana, then you will see Shuddha Samviti Matra. Question itself, how is it we are experiencing moment by moment the Chaitya and you say it is not there? That question itself will not be there. See, that is why Shastra says Vedanta is such thing, very systematic and logical, etc. The reasoning, one gets carried away by that. But that is not everything. It has to end in direct discovery, sakshatkara. Then only the truth of it will be there. Until that, a seeming reasoning is given to make us proceed and discover that, because if the mental block is there, oh, this is not correct, etc., the person will not take to the further sadhana. And from that standpoint, the Shruti Sammata Tarka is given. A reasoning which is in accordance with the Shruti Upanishads. So, and finally we have to discover the truth. And after discovering the truth, the questions themselves will disappear. That question themselves will disappear. They have no locus standi. So that means the case, in this entire Tribhuvana, there is nothing other than Shuddha Samvit Matra. So again, all that we experience as this is nothing but Shuddha Samviti Matra.
Stanza 35, there are three corrections. Third word, drasho. Dra should be dru.
Dhru. Drusho is there. Dhru.
Drasho is there, it should be Dhru.
The
Drusho.
and Rishi Rukara.
And second line, first word, Sadesha Kala is there. It should be Kala.
Akara you
Akara to be
remove.
removed.
One vertical line you reduce.
And Tat Sarve should be Tat Sarvam.
I could not locate. First one is Drushaha. Yakaschana Drushaha. Dhru. Then second line is Sadesha Kala is there. That Kala make La. Then
Sarve should be Sarvam.
Sarve must be Sarvam. That's all.
Yakaschana Drusha. Yakaschana Drusho ye. Bhava Bhava Strikalagaha. Sadesha Kala Chittaraha. Sadesha
Kala Chittas.
Tat Sarvam Chit.
Yoma Matrakam.
Anvaya. Yaha Kaschana Drushaha Ye Sadesha Kala Chittaha
Trikala
Trikala
Gaha.
Gaha
Bhava Bhavaha. Tatsarvam.
Tat Sarvam Chid Vyoma Matrakam. Again, Yaha Kaschana Drushaha Ye Sadesha Kala Chittaha Trikala Gaha Bhava Bhavaha Tat Sarvam Chid Vyoma Matrakam.
Few things in the creation which encompass the entire creation pointed out as nothing but chit only, chit vyoma only. Yaha kaschana drishaha. Whatever that are, what are those? Drishaha. Drishaha is drushtayaha means chitta vrittayaha. Drishaha. Drishtayaha means chitta vrittaya. All antakarana vrittis. Let us see what are they actually. Antakarana vritti. Ye bhava ye sadesha kala chittaha. Whatever that is there, sadesha, along with sa means along with. Saha. Sa stands for Saha. Saha with what? Desha, space, Kala, time, and Chittaha, with the mind. With the mind, abiding in Trikala, that is Chittaha, Sadesha Kala, Chittaha. And what are those? Trikalagaha, abiding in three kalas means whatever things with desha, kala and mind, antakarana, abiding in three periods of time, past, present and future. What are those? Bhava bhavaha. Bhava can be taken as murta, sakara, nirakara, with form and formless. For example, space, air are formless. Fire, water, earth are with form, murta, and they are amurta. Like that, bhava bhavaha. So those things, murta, amurta. Otherwise, bhava means existence and abhava, non-existence in the sense born and not born yet to be born or destroyed. Everything means it is to encompass everything without any exception. Bhava bhavaha, it says, tat sarvam, all those are what? Chid vyoma matrakam. They are nothing but chid vyoma. So everything is chid vyoma. So therefore, we have to know this in reality. That see, now you can understand. Don't hurt anyone. Help. Why? Just as me, Chitswarupa, they are saying, if you are harming others, actually we are harming who? Ourselves. But due to identification with the body, me is different, I am different, and they are different. That's why see, all codes of conduct in the Sanatana Dharma are directly or indirectly to prepare the mind to sink these distinctions, including enmity, etc. Why? We have to discover everything is Atma Swarupa, my Swarupa. Think of it, see how that means that far vision the Shastra has got. Same thing, you see, these basic principles of life are in all religions. Don't hurt others, treat thy neighbor as yourself, etc. All religions are. But it is fine. There they may not have gone to the ultimate stage as such of pointing out what the truth is, but there also it is meant for this purpose only. So that being the case, see, this is how the importance of code of conduct comes. Do this, don't do this. All this is finally to prepare the mind to discover that everything is Chidyum. Otherwise, suppose you have got enmity with someone. How can you accept that it is Chidyoma as myself only? So that is how the Shastra helps us.